Hi, welcome to the study of analytical geometry. In this video, we are going to see how you can derive the formula for obtaining the distance between 2 points on a Cartesian plane. Also, we are going to give an example of the distance between 2 points. We are considering 2 dimensions, and we are letting point A, which has coordinate x1 and y1, and the point B, which has coordinate x2 and y2, to be any point on the Cartesian plane. And we are going to let our distance be denoted by AQ. AQ will be given by x2 minus x1. BQ, this distance BQ, will be given by y2 minus y1. Triangle AQB is right-angled triangle. So if it is right-angled triangle, then this distance here, which you can call even hypotenuse, we can apply Pythagoras theorem to obtain that distance, whereby we know that base squared plus opposite squared is equal to hypotenuse. In our case, base is x2 minus x1. So we shall have x2 minus x1, you square this, plus our opposite is y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1, you square that, which is equal to hypotenuse squared. Our hypotenuse squared, we are letting it as our distance between A and B, which we are calling distance AB. So to obtain that distance, we take the square root. So in general, the distance between 2 points will be given by x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Then you obtain the square root. So we give the example. So you are going to obtain the distance between point A, which has coordinates 7 and 9, and the point B, which has coordinates -4 and 5. So we see how we tackle it. Solution. In this case, x1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to -4, y1 is equal to 9, y2 is equal to 5. So distance between point A and B will be given by x2 minus x1, you square the result, plus y2 minus y1, the result squared, and you obtain the square root. We substitute our values. So we shall have 7, -4 minus 7, -4 minus 7, you square this, plus y2 is 5 minus 9, you square, then you obtain the square root. So -4 minus 7 will be -11 squared, plus 4 minus 9 will be -4 squared, then square root. So -11 squared will be 121, plus -4 squared will be 16, then you obtain the square root. 121 plus 16 is equal to 137. Square root of 137 is equal to 11.70. 5. So that is how you obtain the distance between those 2 points. Another example, you are to obtain the distance between the point A, which is 6 and 0, B, which is 14 and 0. So here x1 is equal to 6, x2 is equal to 14, y1 is equal to 0, y2 is equal to 0. Then we apply the formula, which tells us that distance between point A and B is given by x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Then you obtain the square root. So distance AD will be given by 14 minus 6 is 8 squared plus 0 squared square root. 8 squared is 64 plus 0, it will be 64. Square root of 64 is 8. So thanks so much for taking your time to study with me on how to obtain the distance between 2 points. For more such learning, tune on to my channel so that we may learn together.